to understand or try to learn for loop. So let's save this file as for loop. So for loop.c. Now I will convert this into for loop. It's very simple. For loop does not require any kind of initialization before loop. Sure, this do will not be there. In place of do, before the loop will have for inside bracket I equal to 1. This is initialization. Terminating condition is I less than equal to 100, and increment is also done in the same line, that is I plus plus bracket close. Beginning of the loop, this is the beginning of the loop, this is print statement. Now this I plus plus is no more required. You must be knowing that. Why? Because this increment is already done here. So this is also not required. Now the problem using for loop become more simple than while. What? Simple, one more thing I need to do. I need to initialize value of variable I. So int I. This is the declaration of I. So now I is 1. This is, you can say, this is initialization. This is terminating condition, means as and when the value of I is less than or equal to 100, this loop will keep on running. Or if that value of I goes beyond 100, then loop will terminate, and this I plus plus keep on incrementing value of I. So let's check the result. Alt F9, Control F9, Alt F5. You can see the result. So now printing of 1 to 100 I have shown you in the previous 2 lectures also. Means we can print 1 to 100, or you can say that counting from 1 to 100 using while loop also, using do while loop also, and using for loop also. For loop is more simplest sort of code than any other loop. So this was all about for loop, how to use for loop. For a simple, using simple program I have shown you. Then we'll go ahead with the complex problem in future. So this was all about for loop. Have a nice learning. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe my channel.